Compact controllers empower musicians to create anywhere, blending portability with responsive keys, intuitive controls, and seamless DAW integration for modern production workflows. Best small MIDI keyboard options deliver expressive performance, connectivity, and smart features suited to beginners and professionals alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Akai MK3 Small MIDI Keyboard. The Akai MK3 Small MIDI Keyboard is a compact yet powerful tool designed for modern music producers who want professional control in a portable form. Its 25 velocity-sensitive mini keys respond naturally to playing dynamics, making it suitable for melodies, bass lines, and chord work in studio or mobile setups. One standout feature is the innovative 4-way sumstick, which replaces traditional pitch and modulation wheels and allows expressive control without taking up extra space. The 8 backlit MPC-style pads deliver the classic Akai feel, ideal for programming drums, triggering samples, and building beats with precision. Integration with native instruments through NKS support expands creative possibilities, giving instant access to high-quality presets and sound libraries. The included MPC Beats software, virtual instruments, and over 1,500 sounds make this keyboard a complete starter solution. Overall, it balances portability, creativity, and deep control, making it a strong choice for beatmakers and electronic music producers.
Number 2. Akai MIDI Small MIDI Keyboard. The Akai MIDI Small MIDI Keyboard with 37 keys offers a broader playing range while maintaining a compact, studio-friendly design. With 3 full octaves, it's well-suited for musicians who prefer more room for melodic and harmonic expression. USB power ensures easy connection to a computer, while CV-Gate and MIDI I/O open the door to controlling modular gear, synthesizers, and external sound modules. A major highlight is the built-in 64-step sequencer, allowing users to compose and record patterns without relying on a computer, which adds flexibility to live and hardware-based setups. Native Control Standard integration provides seamless browsing and control of native instrument sounds, enhancing workflow efficiency. Dedicated transport controls make DAW navigation simple and intuitive, reducing reliance on a mouse. This keyboard is ideal for producers who want hands-on control, expanded connectivity, and the freedom to create music both inside and outside the computer environment.
Number 3. Arturia MiniLab Small MIDI Keyboard. The Arturia MiniLab Small MIDI Keyboard is designed to blend simplicity with creative depth, making it an excellent choice for producers at any level. Its velocity-sensitive keys offer a premium feel, delivering expressive performance whether you're sketching ideas or refining full tracks. The layout focuses on workflow, allowing users to control instruments, mute tracks, adjust parameters, and trigger drum pads smoothly without interrupting creative momentum. With responsive pads, faders, and assignable controls, the MiniLab adapts easily to different music styles and production needs. It integrates seamlessly with software instruments and DAWs, reducing setup time and letting users focus on making music. The compact build makes it perfect for small studios or mobile production, while still feeling solid and reliable. Overall, the MiniLab emphasizes fluid interaction and hands-on creativity, helping musicians stay inspired and engaged throughout the production process.
Number 4. Donner 25 Pro Small MIDI Keyboard. The Donner 25 Pro Small MIDI Keyboard is built for users who want smart features that simplify music creation. While it doesn't produce sound on its own, it works seamlessly with computers or mobile devices through DAW software, making it versatile for home or on-the-go production. Its intelligent dynamic scale mode helps players stay in key, making bass lines, melodies, and leads easier to perform across multiple genres. Creative tools like arpeggio, note repeat, and chord modes encourage experimentation and fast idea generation.
The touch bar with light scale adds expressive pitch and modulation control, giving performances a more dynamic feel. Compatibility with both PC and mobile devices, along with support for major DAWs, ensures flexible use across platforms. Added learning courses make it especially appealing to beginners. Overall, the Donner 25 Pro balances education, creativity, and performance in a compact controller.
Number 5. M-Audio Keystation Small MIDI Keyboard. The M-Audio Keystation Small MIDI Keyboard focuses on delivering a straightforward piano-like playing experience in a portable design. Its 32 velocity-sensitive mini keys provide a natural response that suits traditional piano parts, synth lines, and beat-focused production alike. Selectable velocity curves allow players to tailor the keyboard's feel to their personal playing style, enhancing comfort and control. Plug-and-play USB connectivity makes setup effortless on both Windows and Mac systems, with no need for additional drivers or external power. Dedicated octave buttons extend the keyboard range, while pitch, modulation, volume, and sustain controls add expressive flexibility. The inclusion of MPC Beats software gives users access to professional production tools right away. Simple, reliable, and performance-focused, the Keystation is ideal for musicians who value ease of use and responsive keys for everyday music production. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.